Second, should they snare the rebound, and they do. Here comes the hobbling Chris Paul with a long three. Got it! He got it! At the buzzer, which they will review. On one leg. Unbelievable. By two.
Money, stay on my craft and stick around for those pounds, but I do that to pass the torch and put on for my town. Trust me, I'm my IND shit hustler, chasing dreams since I was 14 with the 4-track bustin', halfway across that city with the back crush it. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give that to the people, spread it across the country. Labels out here, now they can't tell me nothing. We give it to the people, spread it across the country. Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Here we go back, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. Yeah, I'm so damn grateful. I grew up really wanna go fronts, but that's what you get when Wu-Tang raised. Y'all can't stop me. Go hard like I gotta eat it with my heartbeat. And I'm eating at the beat like it gave a little speed to a great white shark on Shark Week. Boy, wanna go up, girl. Deuces goodbye. I got a world to see. And my girl, she wanna see Rome. Caesar make you a believer now. I never ever did it for a throne. That validation comes from giving it back to the people now. Sing the song and it goes like, raise those hands. This is our party. We came here to live life like nobody was watching. I got my city right behind me. If I lost, they got me. Learn from that failure, gain humility, and then we keep marching. I said, this is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us. Like the ceiling can't hold us. This is the moment, tonight is the night. We'll fight till it's over, so we put our hands up like the ceiling can't hold us.
Pierce, 8 seconds to play. Washington 81, Atlanta 80. Korver gets it in for Schroeder. 6 seconds. Schroeder makes his move. The drive to the rim. It's blocked. Horford flies in. Horford lays it in. 1.9. Washington has no timeouts. Pierce gets it to Wall from midcourt. It's over. Atlanta takes game 5, 82-81. In the clutch. The truth is denied.
Schroeder on the drive, just attacking Wall, and look at Millsap. Everybody's heads turned. Nene does not step out to the body, gives up about 8 feet of space, and Al Horford says, thank you very much, I'll take it. Gets in there, gets the offensive rebound, flying in, as he's been doing all night long on the defensive end. Offensive rebound and a huge 2 for the Hawks, and the Wizards not having a timeout had nothing going for them after this big basket. Again, Horford flying in, collecting the ball, collecting his balance, and getting the win.
Al Horford brings the Hawks one step closer to their first ever Eastern Conference Finals. David Aldridge standing by with a hero.
Al, last play, Shot was off. You've been crashing the glass all night. What did you see as the play developed?
With Game 4 on Monday. Remember, New Orleans never recovered from collapsing in Game 3 against Golden State. Now that series, when they blew a 20-point lead against the Warriors, Beal letting the clock wind down. Beal against Bazemore. Here comes Pierce with 5 seconds left. Pierce with 3. Pierce with 2. Pierce follow.